Welcome, we're in El Hierro. I'm Tori.
I'm Jasmine.
And I'm Lauren.
And we are Scuba for Families.
So El Hierro, volcanic island. We're off from Restinga, fisherman's village, really beautiful. Everybody give a wave, we're excited. Dive number 1 and 2. We're going to Mer de la Camas, the Calm Sea, which is on the western side of the El Hierro. Here we're at dive site Tacoran, and the second one was rock Tacoran. Beautiful volcanic rock, natural swimming pool, great for an afternoon dip. As you can see, the water is crystal clear, perfect for swimming. Here's Jasmine about to do a backward roll into the beautiful water, with Peter giving her encouragement. This is quite difficult for kids to do at the beginning, but they soon get used to it and then they become great. Well done, Jasmine. Going down the anchor line, nice and slow for them to equalise is important. Here's Lauren. She was super excited to dive. She's only 12 years old and she started diving at 10, which she immediately took to. Here's our awesome dive master, Selman. They had a great friendship, which is important when you dive. You want to rely on your leaders to be good. So the fauna and flora is amazing within El Hierro. You've got these beautiful soft corals, lots of different eels, huge diversity of life. In 2011 a volcano erupted, which is 70 meters below, bringing up vast nutrients. So you've got diversity in the marine life. You've got trumpet fish here. You've got a beautiful grey Atlantic trumpet fish, and formations are based on the volcanic rock. We found the actual terrain really interesting. This is one of those long lava tongues coming out. It's great places for eels to hide, and beautiful archways going up into the natural pools. It's really stunning, and divers can go up and say hi to those bathing. There's a lot of groupers around, mainly dusky groupers. We saw them hunting with eels, bristle fireworms. You have to watch out for those because they can sting you like a stinging nettle. Little bristles go into you and it's very painful, so don't touch when you're there. But it's a stunning environment. You've got all these crevices which the kids love to dive through. Here we've got a light blue scrawled filefish, beautiful and elegant, and our black moray eel, plenty of those in El Hierro. Beautiful trumpet fish here with a nice dusky grouper. And then we had schools of amberjacks, and sometimes you see white trevallies in the centre. And a stunning rock lobster, very prehistoric looking, I think. Here we are diving through one of these rock crevices and into a network of caves at the El Sarto site. This was really interesting. Your children have to be experienced enough to go into the caves. We had Peter checking for currents and then guiding us through. Luckily the exit and entry points were very large and visible, so no danger here. As we came out of the caves, we saw a school of barracuda just gently gathering in the gentle sway at the bottom. Plenty of groupers, of course. Here we have a stream of air bubbles coming up from the volcanic rocks, which the girls and I loved. It's really stunning. This is the yellow avada, rare fish to see in the Canaries. So we're very lucky to see this, and then after seeing the captain, as they're known, what should come round the corner? Pregnant, beautiful 3-metre small-toothed sand tiger shark on our second dive at Beja Rosario. She was so calm and peaceful. Normally lives around 200 metres and only comes up to the shallows. We're about 10 metres there to give birth, and that's only once every 2 years, so the chances of seeing her were really, really slim. We couldn't believe our luck. Jasmine and Lauren were very blessed indeed to see such an amazing, beautiful animal. Mass celebration after seeing that beautiful sand tiger shark. Everybody's fists in the air, waving, doing the shark symbol. Also had a lot of volcanic tongues coming out with drop-off points where you could possibly spot manta rays if you're lucky. We just found the whole area stunning, and the visibility was 20 to 25 metres, crystal clear waters. Here's Jasmine, only 14, now very confident, doing a roly-poly under the water. The dive club that we chose, we thank a lot, Arifacel, allowed the girls to drive the boat as well, which was an added treat, which they won't forget. Thanks, guys.
Hi guys, we've just finished our 3 dives and we're about to head back home. Lauren.
We have had some amazing dives. We've had huge highlights, and the first day we saw amazing dolphins, and guess what? On the second dive we saw an amazing shark, a small-toothed sand tiger shark. Really rare to see, and it was amazing. It was really awesome.
So we've had amazing diving here in El Hierro. We went to the calm sea on the west of the island, which is ideal for family diving because there's no current, it's very calm, and the dive sites are easy for children.
We want to say a massive thanks to Salman and Peter. They were so family orientated. It was amazing.
Yes, we wouldn't hesitate coming back here and diving with them. You always need to find a club that are patient, especially with children. Thank you guys.
Bye!